Okay, so I've gotten emails, messages on Instagram, Facebook. Been asked while I was on a live. Anyways, about the burnout challenge. I'm just, I have no pole. I'm just a little guy in this.
Oh, he just a little guy.
In this YouTube business. Anyways, you're gonna have to ask the guru of the burnouts, or DD Speed Shop, or you can talk to any one of these guys and talk them into it. Maybe RAV4, he'll do some burnouts. I don't know. You'll just have to ask. You'll have to talk to him. Even go on their last videos and make some comments. Complete Toilet Garage, I'm sure he'll do a burnout. Go bother him about it, and he might start it. I don't know. I can't start something. I just don't have the pull. Anyways, so that's all I can say. I mean, I'll throw in some clips of some burnouts, but if you want a burnout challenge, that's the guy to ask. There is a comment section in videos, so you can leave comments there. He might read one of them if there's enough of them. And same with DD Speed Shop in that Complete Toilet Garage. Wes, he'll send him some comments or something. I can't do it. I would if I had the pull. It's only 35, 40 below here, and so I do have a stack of tires over there, probably 10, 12 of them, to do some burnouts on. Oh yeah, there's another blizzard going on. Look at that. There's a Mercury mini truck, 440s over there. I should have put that in the garage. Fuck. Ties and bias Plies, he's always in for a good burnout, but like I said, people been asking me. You're asking the wrong guy. I can suggest it to him all I want, but I think there's got to be a multiple of people, hundreds of people asking. I can't do it, like I said. Sorry. It's the way she goes. It's fucking cold out. Get on, diesel heater.
And now why did you tell me you were doing it? I heard that all the way in the house.
There you go.
Right here, right now, is where we draw the line. How dare you?
I knew better than that.
I swear I've seen a lot of stuff in my life, but that was awesome. But sorry about your car, man.
Yeah, love it. So, there you go. Subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.